kwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumadi so yada semre ne adaje ne yada radio asenso se ne atiasefo no so wakan yen aka ho bie de de hyase no kase nsam ne doso ne etodwa wo bi ya wo beti ni Mental Health Authority extra ban ne wona wonsem wo bie yemmoa wo mo wo niema ahodo mo sebe ya wadwuma na wo ye no omso ebeye ne ye ye de honsam no ebebro na fe ya body ewra yensam foforo mu a snits Shagana for nyina boss yen sika deda ho yen etua nto ho no ye save nya de se brebi beso a wunya se de edenam emframemo no eno ne nsem bi ena no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwa me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Kogo TV channel no search 119 na DSTV 280 uko YouTube nso a search Adom TV 2 ubenya ye ni dwumade enkaye Midin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said and some chiremu ankasa etie Mental Health Authority sra aban ene enwekuo ahodo a wonsem obi ese yemmoa wo mo e wosikasem fam sebe ya wo betumi de ato akade wo mo hia akade nso na etumi aboa ma adwuma wo no mo eye no akonanim nuro ene mfidie kura wo no mo ede ebo aprosa hyen eye campaign no ni ade ni nyina no akwa atwe wo ho Adom kase etwaso.
Funding has always been a challenge for Mental Health Authority. Because your funding is usually not enough. No, getting logistics to work with is quite difficult. But let's face facts. The authority, crowd authority, they back to point what is going on within the community. Authority. Again, last year, me call community any mental health professionals, in Kitaho, and one of their major issues again was transportation.
Masang Edia to just say, Afi Juma wonum ebedie no. Wonum edeman for ba be fanti tie mu ama wonum ehunu akwan pa sempo wa adwene mu yare a obepemmoa.
We don't have a commensurate increase in education within the populace. And see, I must still stigma any idea preventing people from seeking the help that they need to. And in Tina, who say, was say awareness creation, no. But again, you did 1 day, be not 2 days. We say, you see the whole month.
Social Security and National Insurance Trust, Trinity Access Net, a international labor organization for anno. A one symbia or diva to Joichirimo says net in Tinto Hono. I hear bedu 2036, want to me entry at one more, Unsika Hono Eka. Then so next night is an okribia anymore, and she share now 1 more year. I won't go so a year non chessy visa crabisi. Adom Cassie, it was so.
The person may come out be out in the say. Ghana for any senates for pensioners, any contributors in Artia Sense. Scheme no encore baby, and good net and good snap. You be cost what your uncle for cat. If I'm more when you say senate every third Thursday of the month. Yawa de bia di bosumi. Tosumi and San Elbosumi Biemono, pensioners in Abidia and says, Umboconum Sikadem, crying, Yen Pahon, San, ye bear a san, Copim said, a jab Casabas as a friendly Paco. 8020 says India, scheme no and quite any answer a collapse over Bia and yes, sanity.
Senate Asaya Cards also say, Ahoboa wonum ayeno, Obibia or new wonum edi Jumano, Senebreson says a Siwutian Sika Manua, and Sem Sopan and Sa Ebekanisika.
Reports I if actually is since 2011. I about 13 years ago. Nina 2011 deal, 2014 deal, 2017 deal, and 2020 deal. Nina Casamba, and you know, someone yes, say, if you crack us by 2031. I guess a free infusion, so I free a die anyway. I can see no crying, yes, Caribbean fan running. And we after and watching, and we can say, oh, and then cry best at 2038. 2042. Nina kosi se ye ke kan sam nina sisi ani na wo hwe no ma wo ya se no mo chese edobako na no so senate no ye ntinai
Adom TV Badwam kase na ocean na Ghana National Association of Private Schools and so ene kase chiremu said the West African Examination Council pen 4 year no enya de se won mo bojo so nti wan hwekora na 2025 eye BC so hwe no ono mo nye ebo aye gye wo mo de toto aban de no ho a emu awrem kakra Adom kase etwaso.
Over the past 4 years alone, BEC fees have increased from 77 Ghana cedis in 2020 to 214 Ghana cedis 1 peswa in 2024, representing a 178% hike in the fees. I treat WAEC to always negotiate with NAPS prior to any fee increment. Let me serve notice that NAPS will lead all pre-tertiary private schools to boycott next year's BEC should WAEC arbitrarily increase the fees.
Enwechi, oto aswechire mu se sempanyefo ahwe na examination fee no ma anye bibi ntempa amfa ho dia enya de obepene so ama afimpenu ne do nonom BEC insohwe no akoso my Ghana emu.
Extend the free senior high school program to private school students. Review the Education Regulatory Bodies Act 2020, Act 1023, to do away with exorbitant regulatory charges by the National Schools Inspectorate Authority, NASIA, National Teaching Council, and National Council for Curriculum and Assessment, NACA.
Local government asoya no so de kokobe mu odin ena ma de hye bi a won tete miamia ni kwanse won mo etetena wo nkro ahodo mo so won twe ho firi ho ansa na bi aban no ani aba no ho oba betwe wo mo ba bi a wotie no nim se ni kwanse ho ena wotena wo so yi ho firi ho ntem Adom kase edebe.
We are using your medium to get to the general public that all those who have cited their properties along the buffers, they are supposed to go and remove them between now and when the ministry sets in. Ministry is not going to announce when it is coming, but it is giving them warning that they are illegally citing their properties along the buffers. So they should remove them.
Wasanso de atumensi akrachefo ne titiru ene wonom a wo hye garage project no ase anim se gata bia e ben wonom no wontitimu se de be ya eduru sutobre a esuo enyiri emfa wonom empotamu owura yi kasa yemu no de atudwa se mensini ahodo ene yankura san hyehye yi wani so no wo betwe wonom aso.
As the rain is about to come, the assemblies are supposed to begin the silting of the choke gutters. Money has been released to the 17 beneficiary assemblies of the garage project, the assemblies that are along the Odo Basin. Our expectation is that by now they should have started the desilting.
Penny Quantra for ya one da Ghana Tourism Authority ano ora kwasi ageman se wo 2023 ni mu no Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park eye ebia ahohoye hyehyɛ no course yi wo hopa nkofo fi won kromu ne omayi mu akra no ya ba honomo na ema yen visitors best 200,000 ya ye wo hamunchemu edu enum na wo den semwe etu dwa ewo Tourism 2023 report ya won pa ho entuma.
Executive Officer CEO Emma Ghana Tourism Authority Akwesi Agyeman ene Adom News nsentwofo atwetwe nkomo abra womo epa ho ntuma Tourism 2023 report ewon kran wodi tudwa se yehwe Kwame Nkrumah Museum a emre bi etwem a womo etumu no womo ebieye eye July 2023 a enamo nhihye awodo a womo de gu akwam siesie wona hu se sese na konenimpa Ochire mu se wo de tutu eye Ebri Garden ene parks awodo a ewo Ghana ha ehwiri konenim pa
na ne de wo mukura ne se wo hwe be bi ti se Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park no yetuma July 2023 ne bi from July to December and abe number 1 site ankofo nsrahwɛ course so pa na kyerɛ sɛ yɛ ma yɛni bere na yɛ improve all the tourist site a nsrahwɛ no bɛkɔ soro bebree ɛno nso nti na ama yɛni agye sɛ dwumadi a yɛdi sisi a wokɔ salaga yɛdi dwuma wɔ hɔ wokɔ pikoro a yɛ paga yɛdi dwuma wɔ hɔ wokɔ tanoboase wɔ Techima nkyɛn hɔ baabi a yɛn nso yɛdi dwumadi wɔ hɔ wokɔ kyekyere yɛ dwumadi wɔ hɔ woba nkran ha nationalism park ɛne geese park dwumadi ɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ dendenden nti yɛbɛwie ne nyinaa no na sɛ Ghana ha sisi a tourist site bebree wɔ hɔ a yɛapagya mu already yɛapagya bu nso eco park mu wokɔ tafe atɔme yɛapagya mu wokɔ nzulezu yɛapagya mu kakra wɔ hɔ nti na sɛ mpagya mu no na ɛboa ma sahwɛ no dwumani akɔ soro.
Aminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay media siase da ne ye wo de Awurade mfa nkomra asomdwem ne mum koso na ne yentena isa fei na da obon krata no any online stories no so ye de ebro wo twen ye be 2-3 minutes ye nche ye ba ye beto so.